In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money on Fiverr without doing any of the work. What is going on, guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can get paid on Fiverr without doing any of the work. That's right, guys, you're going to be getting paid on Fiverr without doing any of the work. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Fiverr.com is basically an online marketplace where you can advertise your services as freelancers. Okay, so basically we are going to be posting an advert in the search engine optimization sector saying that we will send traffic to different websites for a certain fee. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be outsourcing our work to a person from a different website and then getting the profit. Okay, so for example, if we charge $5 for our service, what we're going to do is we're going to outsource the work to someone else who's going to do it for cheaper. You know, so if he does it for $1, we're going to pay him $1 and then we can make the profit. So we charge $5 and then the person who does the work does it for $1, so we get $4 profit. That's basically how it works. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is basically the process of optimizing your search engine ranking and improving, for example, the ranking of your blog or website on different search engines from low ranking to high ranking, so more people see it. So before, if you were on 5th page of Google and you use good SEO tactics, you will now be on a higher search result and more people will see your page. Okay, that's basically what search engine optimization is. So people advertise their services in this sector, and then they get paid to help you with that. Okay, but what we're going to be doing is sending traffic to different websites. So let's type here traffic. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to sort it by the highest rated. Okay, so best selling, there we are. These are the people that are getting the most sales on Fiverr. Okay, in this sector, traffic sector, people that are getting the most sales. Okay, for example, this person is saying, these people are all saying they'll send traffic for 1 month, and this person, as you can see, he's saying he will bring direct USA, UK, Australia traffic, 20,000 people for £3.97. Okay, so that's what he's charging, £3.97. Okay, to send 20,000 visitors to your website. Okay, and what we're going to do next is go on the other website. It's called SEO Clark. Okay, so this is essentially the person that we're going to be outsourcing our work to. Okay, so we're going to find someone on here that sells traffic services for a cheap price, and then we're going to pay him a small fee, like $1 or £1 or something, and then we are going to make the profit, which is the difference between our advert cost on Fiverr and the money we pay to this person on SEO Clark. So we advertise our services for $3.50 or $4, and then we pay this person on SEO Clark $1 and we make $3 profit. Okay, so let's go on highest rating over here. Okay, guys, and we're going to see the highest rated people on here and how much they charge for their services. All right, okay, so as you can see, even the top rated person, he's only selling his services for £1. So this is a great site. A lot of the services are much cheaper than the ones you see on Fiverr. This person's saying 20,000 visitors, web visitors, for £3.97. And as you can see over here, this advert, he's selling his services for 41,000 for $1, but he's sending 41,000 people. Okay, so he's sending more traffic to your website for a cheaper price. Okay, so this guy, he's sending 20,000 and he's one of the top rated sellers with 569 people buying his service already, 4.9 rating, but he's charging £3.97. What we could do is advertise our services on Fiverr, create an advert on Fiverr, and then simply say that we will send 41,000 traffic to your website for £3.95, for example. So we are undercutting this guy, offering a cheaper price, and more traffic, okay? And then once we get clients, once someone says, yeah, I'm interested in your Fiverr ad, I want 41,000 people to my website, what we do is we contact this seller over here, you know, and you know, as you can see, you just click order now, you order it, and then we pay him $1, and then he will send the traffic to the client's website. It's that simple, okay? And we can even use his description, we can use his picture in our Fiverr advert, you know, say all this, 6,000 to 7,000 daily, non-stop for 7 days. We can include all this information in our Fiverr advert, and then simply pay this individual on here $1 for doing the work and sending traffic to our client. That's all you guys have to do. It's a really easy way to make money. You're advertising your services on Fiverr for a more expensive price, so it's similar to the market value on here, around $3.97. Undercut them if you want, and then go on SEO Clark and then buy the person to outsource it, get him to send the traffic, 41,000 for a cheaper price, $1, and then you will make that profit, okay? You'll make that profit, and then you will get a huge amount of clients because you're selling cheaper and you're selling more traffic, okay? So it's a really great tool for you guys, all right? It's a great method. And then I'm going to show you guys really quickly another hack that can help you get more clients, okay? So what I'm going to do is show you what PLRs are, okay? So PLRs are basically free ebooks that you can download from the internet, let's say some traffic related on many different topics, and then you can download it and offer it for free in your advert, okay? So when someone says free in an advert, your eyes are automatically attracted to it, your eyes light up, and then obviously you want to get involved in it and you want to buy it, okay? You know, you want to do the advert because they're offering free stuff, okay? So let's click here, best traffic PLR products, and as you can see when this page loads, there are a lot of free ebooks here, okay? So you can download this, and then you can offer it as a free incentive, okay? So you have an advert on Fiverr, you create an advert saying you'll send 41,000 people to someone's website, you know, for £3.95, and then when you get clients, you use SEO Clarks, you contact this individual, pay him $1, and he'll send the traffic to that website, okay? But you also say in the advert, when you create it, you say free ebook for each purchase, okay? Free ebook on getting social media traffic over here, you know, or any of these different free ebooks, okay? It's that simple. So this is another great hack for you guys to improve more, you know, improve your customer base, get more customers to buy your service on Fiverr, okay? So that is basically the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to the Cash Kreator.